Hello everyone, welcome to Daily English Conversation. I'm John, and I'm excited to clear up a common confusion today.
And I'm Olivia. Today, we're tackling two simple words that confuse learners all the time, much and many.
These words seem straightforward, but using them incorrectly can make your English sound awkward or unnatural. Many learners say much people or many water. These are wrong.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly when to use much, when to use many, and you'll understand the logic behind the rule.
Before we start, please subscribe to Daily English Conversation. We break down confusing English topics and make them simple with clear explanations.
Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss our helpful lessons. Understanding distinctions like this makes your English sound natural.
All right, let's dive in. First, what's the fundamental difference between much and many?
Here's the simple rule. Many is used with countable nouns, things you can count. Much is used with uncountable nouns, things you cannot count individually.
Think of many as a large number of. Think of much as a large amount of.
That's the core distinction. Now we need to understand countable versus uncountable nouns.
Countable nouns are things you can count. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Plural forms exist.
Examples: books, cars, people, houses, ideas, questions, students, chairs, phones, dogs.
You can say 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. They're countable.
Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count individually. No plural forms exist for the substance itself.
Examples: water, rice, money, information, advice, furniture, luggage, music, air, time.
You cannot say 1 water, 2 waters when talking about the substance. Water is uncountable.
Now let's explore many in detail. This word is for countable nouns only.
Many means a large number. It goes with plural countable nouns.
Many books. Books are countable. Plural form. Correct.
Many people. People are countable individuals. Correct.
Many questions. Questions are countable. Correct.
Many cities. Cities are countable. Correct.
Common uses of many are questions, negatives, and sometimes positive statements.
Questions: how many books do you have? How many people came? How many questions are there?
Negatives: there aren't many people here. I don't have many friends in this city. We didn't see many cars.
Positive statements: many students study English. Many countries have this problem. This works but sounds formal.
In casual positive statements, native speakers often prefer a lot of or lots of instead of many.
Casual: a lot of students study English. More natural than many students study English in conversation.
But in questions and negatives, many is perfect and very common. How many? Not many.
Now let's explore much in detail. This word is for uncountable nouns only.
Much means a large amount. It goes with uncountable nouns.
Much water. Water is uncountable. Correct.
Much time. Time is uncountable. Correct.
Much money. Money is uncountable. Correct.
Much information. Information is uncountable. Correct.
Common uses of much are questions, negatives, and with to and so.
Questions: how much water do you need? How much time does it take? How much money did you spend?
Negatives: there isn't much time left. I don't have much money. We didn't get much information.
With to and so: too much sugar, so much work. These are very common.
In casual positive statements, much alone sounds strange. Native speakers use a lot of instead.
Strange: I have much work. Better: I have a lot of work.
Strange: there is much traffic. Better: there is a lot of traffic.
But how much, not much, and too much are all perfect and very natural.
Now let's directly compare much and many with paired examples.
How many apples do you want? Apples are countable. Use many.
How much juice do you want? Juice is uncountable. Use much.
I don't have many friends here. Friends are countable people. Use many.
I don't have much time today. Time is uncountable. Use much.
There aren't many cars on the road. Cars are countable. Use many.
There isn't much traffic today. Traffic is uncountable. Use much.
Many people believe this. People are countable. Use many.
Much research supports this. Research is uncountable. Use much.
See the pattern? Countable equals many. Uncountable equals much.
Now let's discuss tricky nouns that confuse learners.
Money is uncountable. Wrong, many money. Right, much money.
Even though you can count coins and bills, the word money itself is uncountable. Use much money.
However, you can say many dollars, many euros, many coins. These specific units are countable.
Information is uncountable. Wrong, many information. Right, much information.
You can say many facts or many details, countable, but information as a whole is uncountable.
You can say many tips or many suggestions, countable, but advice is uncountable.
Furniture is uncountable. Wrong, many furniture. Right, much furniture.
You can say many chairs or many tables, countable, individual items, but furniture as a category is uncountable.
Luggage or baggage is uncountable. Wrong, many luggage. Right, much luggage.
You can say many bags or many suitcases, countable, but luggage is uncountable.
Work is uncountable. Wrong, many work. Right, much work.
You can say many jobs or many tasks, countable, but work as an abstract concept is uncountable.
These are the nouns that trip people up most often.
Let's talk about a lot of and lots of. These work with both countable and uncountable.
A lot of and lots of are versatile. They replace both many and much in positive statements.
Countable, a lot of people came, lots of books, works perfectly.
Uncountable, a lot of water, lots of time, also works perfectly.
This is why beginners often learn a lot of first. It's safer, works with everything.
In casual conversation, a lot of and lots of are more common than many or much in positive statements.
I have a lot of friends sounds more natural than I have many friends.
There's a lot of traffic sounds more natural than there's much traffic.
However, in questions and negatives, many and much remain very common and natural.
How many? How much? Not many, not much. All perfect.
Now let's discuss common mistakes learners make with much and many.
Mistake 1. Using much with countable nouns. Wrong, many people came. Right, many people came.
People are countable individuals. Countable equals many, not much.
Mistake 2. Using many with uncountable nouns. Wrong, many water. Right, much water.
Water is uncountable. Uncountable equals much.
Mistake 3. Using much in positive statements casually. Awkward, I have much work. Natural, I have a lot of work.
Much in positive statements sounds very formal or old-fashioned. Use a lot of instead.
Mistake 4. Forgetting that some nouns are uncountable in English, even if countable in other languages.
Information, advice, furniture, luggage, all uncountable in English. Check if unsure.
Mistake 5. Saying many thanks incorrectly. Actually, many thanks is correct. It's a fixed expression.
Many thanks or thanks very much, both are correct expressions. Fixed phrases sometimes break rules.
Let's look at how much and how many questions in detail.
How many questions ask about quantity with countable nouns. Answers use numbers.
How many books do you have? I have 10 books. Number answer for countable. How many students are in the class? There are 20 students. Number answer.
How many times have you been there? I've been there 3 times. Number answer.
How much questions ask about quantity with uncountable nouns. Answers often use amounts.
How much water do you need? I need 2 liters. Amount answer for uncountable.
How much time does it take? It takes 30 minutes. Amount answer.
How much money did you spend? I spent $50. Amount answer.
Also, how much asks about prices. How much does it cost? How much is this?
How much is this shirt? It's $20. Price question. Very common.
So, how much has 2 uses, quantity with uncountable nouns and price questions.
Now let's practice with real-life scenarios.
Scenario 1. Shopping. How many apples do you want? I'll take 6 apples. How much do they cost? They cost $5.
How many for countable apples? How much for price? Perfect.
Scenario 2. At work. How many meetings do you have today? I have 3 meetings. I don't have much free time.
How many for countable meetings? Much with uncountable time. Correct.
Scenario 3. Planning a party. How many people are coming? About 30 people. We need to buy a lot of food and drinks.
How many for countable people? A lot of for both food and drinks. Natural.
Scenario 4. Travel discussion. How many countries have you visited? I've visited many countries, but I don't have much money left for more trips this year.
How many for countable countries? Many for countable countries. Much for uncountable money. All correct.
Let's look at negative statements with much and many.
Negative with many. There aren't many people here today. Few people, small number.
I don't have many friends in this city. Small number of friends.
We didn't see many interesting things. Small number of things.
Negative with much. There isn't much time left. Small amount of time.
I don't have much experience with this. Small amount of experience.
We didn't get much help. Small amount of help.
In negatives, both many and much are very natural and commonly used.
Now let's discuss too many and too much. These are super common.
Too many equals an excessive number, more than needed or wanted, with countable nouns.
There are too many people here. Excessive number of people. Too crowded.
I have too many assignments this week. Excessive number of assignments. Overwhelmed.
You're asking too many questions. Excessive number of questions. Annoying.
Too much equals an excessive amount, more than needed or wanted, with uncountable nouns.
There's too much noise. Excessive amount of noise. Too loud.
I have too much work today. Excessive amount of work. Overwhelmed.
You spent too much money. Excessive amount of money. Too expensive.
Too many and too much express the same idea, excess, just with different noun types.
Let's look at some special cases and exceptions.
Much can be used as an adverb meaning a lot or greatly.
Thank you very much. Much here is an adverb, not about nouns.
I don't like it much. Much modifies like, it's an adverb.
Much better, much bigger. Much intensifies comparisons, adverb use.
This is different from much with uncountable nouns. Same word, different function.
Many can sometimes be a pronoun standing alone.
Many believe this theory. Many means many people, pronoun use.
How many came to the party? Not many. Many standing alone is answer.
These uses are less common but good to recognize.
Here are practical tips for mastering much and many.
Tip 1. Learn common uncountable nouns by heart. Information, advice, furniture, luggage, money, water, rice. Memorize these.
Tip 2. Ask yourself, can I count this individually? If yes, use many. If no, use much.
Tip 3. When in doubt, in positive statements, use a lot of. It works with both.
Tip 4. In questions and negatives, confidently use many and much. They sound natural there.
Tip 5. Remember how many equals countable questions, how much equals uncountable questions and prices.
Tip 6. Practice too many, too much, so many, so much. These are very common in real conversations.
Tip 7. Don't translate directly from your language. Countable and uncountable categories differ between languages.
Tip 8. Read and listen actively. Notice which nouns natives use with many versus much.
Tip 8. Let's create some practice exercises to reinforce learning.
Fill in with many or much. How many books do you have? Answer: many. Books are countable.
Fill in, how much water do you drink daily? Answer, much. Water is uncountable.
Fill in, there aren't many people here. Answer: many. People are countable.
Fill in, there isn't much time left. Answer, much. Time is uncountable.
Fill in, too much homework. Answer: much. Homework is uncountable.
Fill in, too many students in the class. Answer, many. Students are countable.
These simple exercises train your brain to automatically choose correctly.
Let's do a comprehensive summary of everything we've covered.
Many is used with countable nouns, things you can count that have plural forms.
Examples with many are many books, many people, many questions, many cars, many ideas.
Much is used with uncountable nouns, things you cannot count individually, no plural forms.
Examples with much are much water, much time, much money, much information, much work, much homework.
Simple rule: countable is many, uncountable is much.
How many for countable questions, how much for uncountable questions, and prices.
In positive statements, a lot of and lots of are more natural than many or much.
In questions and negatives, many and much are natural and commonly used.
Common combinations: too many, too much, so many, so much, not many, not much, how many, how much.
Tricky uncountable nouns: information, advice, furniture, luggage, money, work, homework, research.
Common mistakes: much people, wrong, use many water, wrong, use much, using much in casual positive statements, wrong.
Remember, can you count it? Yes equals many, no equals much. When in doubt, use a lot of.
Before we finish, this is really important. Please subscribe to Daily English Conversation.
We create clear, practical grammar lessons every week to help you speak English naturally and correctly.
Subscribe now so you never miss an episode. Share this with anyone who confuses these words.
Leave us a comment with 2 sentences, one using many and one using much. Practice makes perfect.
Challenge yourself. Today, notice countable versus uncountable nouns around you. Practice thinking many or much.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope much and many are crystal clear now.
Remember, this simple rule, countable versus uncountable, makes your English sound natural and correct.
Keep practicing, keep noticing, keep improving.
This is Daily English Conversation. Don't forget to subscribe.
See you in the next episode.